Hi everyone, today we are visiting a shopping mall. We'll explore different shops, see a lots of interesting things and learn English naturally along the way. So let's go inside and see what we find. So right now we are outside the mall and we are going to the entrance of the mall. This is the parking area. As you can see, lots of vehicles are parked here. So this is the parking area. So Matlub, where are you going?
I'm going to Lulu Mall.
Lulu Mall. Is there any purpose behind going to Lulu Mall? Why do you want to go Lulu Mall?
No purpose. I am going to Lulu Mall. Purchase
What do you want to purchase?
some grocery.
Some groceries. Okay. This is the entrance of the mall and now we are going to enter the mall. First, there is a quick security check at the mall, and now my friend is being checked. Okay, now he will check me. This is the dummy tree. This is not a real tree, it's just a dummy tree. But still, it looks so beautiful. Can you see? So we are on the ground floor now, and to go on the first floor we need an escalator. Okay, so now we are going to use this escalator. So this is an escalator and we are going up the escalator and we will reach on the first floor of the mall. And this is handrail. I am holding this handrail and going up the escalator. As you can see, there are a lots of stores here. This one sells watch and right next to it is a clothing store, and here we can buy some clothes. So this one sells clothes and that one sells watch. So this is a watch store, and on the left side of this watch store there is a store that sells shoes. So this is a footwear store, Bata footwears. We can buy here some shoes, slippers and many more footwears in this store. Matlub, do you want to buy something?
No, I don't buy something. But I grocery buy.
I want to buy
I
grocery.
want to buy grocery.
Look at this beautiful and huge chandelier. It's hanging in the middle of the mall. So this is a chandelier. Okay, so now we are visiting the clothing store. Actually, we are not planning to buy anything, but we'll just have a look because I love to see the clothes around at the mall. So you can see there are lots of clothes. So we can buy shirts from here. So these are the shirts and these are the pants. So guys, we tried to enter the shopper stop and there they said that you are not allowed to film here. I don't know why they are not allowing us to film a vlog there, because it is completely for the purpose of education, but they still deny that they didn't let us to go inside. So we are outside and searching for a different place where we can shoot something. So in India you are not even allowed to make some vlogs inside a mall. I don't know. And I had made some preparation that I will show this in the inside clothing store. But okay, let's visit a different place in the mall. These are the fire extinguishers and they are used if there is any fire inside the mall. So we use this fire extinguisher. These are mannequins. So this is a woman mannequin, this is a boy, and he is a man. or he is also a boy. So these are mannequins. These are mannequins. So now we have entered a different clothing store, and here we are going to shoot the video. I don't know if we are allowed here or not, but we will shoot until we are stopped. So let's go. Look at these pants. They look so comfortable. Look at their colors. So there are different colors, but I like these kind of colors. I'm confused which color of the pant should I buy. Actually this is a beige color, so I can go with beige, but I don't know if this gonna suit on me or not. And these are different colors of t-shirts. I don't even know the names of all these colors. And here we also have some t-shirts, some lowers. These are the jeans hanging from the hangers, and some folded jeans are kept on the shelf. And now my friend is choosing which color of jeans to buy. So there are different colors of jeans hanging from the hanger, and he is choosing out of them. I think he likes this one. So do you want to buy this one, Matlub?
Yeah.
Okay, so he likes this jeans, and for that he needs to go to a trial room to check if this fits on him or not. So he wants to buy two jeans, that one and this one also. But before we buy these jeans, we need to check as well. That is a mirror, and we are standing in front of the mirror. So that is a mirror. So this is a lift. So we will go down using this lift. We can go upside or go down. So I'm going down, so I will press this button. The gate has opened, and now we are entering inside the lift. And now it's closed. So there are different floors here. We can go to the basement, ground floor, floor 1, 2, 3. So these are different floors of the mall. So we are going to go on the third floor. So we press this third floor button, and now the lift is going upwards. Okay, so the lift is going upwards, and as of now we have reached on the third floor. So now we are going home. Like the video and subscribe for more English related content.